This 5-minute solution will show you how to use lockdown mode on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here tap on lockdown mode. And lockdown mode is an extremely optional protection that should only be used if you believe you may be personally targeted by a sophisticated cyber attack. Tap on turn on lockdown mode, and when iPhone is in lockdown mode, apps, websites and features will be strictly limited for security, and some experiences will be completely unavailable. Tap on turn on lockdown mode. Tap on turn on and restart. And that's how you'll be able to use and enable lockdown mode on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.